Hi, I'm Lidey Heuck, and today I'm going to show you how I host Friendsgiving with a beautiful table, a delicious menu, and a martini made with Angostura orange bitters. Want one? Come on in. Hi, I'm Lidey Heuck. I'm a food writer and recipe developer. I got my start working as an assistant for a cookbook author, and in the process, I started developing my own recipes, and I totally fell in love with it. What I love about hosting is dreaming up a delicious menu, cooking the meal, and even more than that, just creating an occasion for my friends to come over and have a really fun night. The martini is one of my favorite cocktails because it's both trendy and classic, and I think a martini made with Angostura orange bitters is the perfect component to just tie this whole menu together. The perfect martini with orange bitters starts with a really nice floral gin, dry vermouth of course, and the finishing touch, the orange bitters. The orange bitters add a really nice fruit-forward flavor, spicy citrus notes, and just makes for a really inviting and aromatic cocktail. The fresh cranberry garnish is just a nice extra special touch that makes this drink feel especially festive for a Friendsgiving or for any other holiday gathering. It's a really celebratory cocktail. It's gonna look beautiful on the table with all the autumnal colors, and I think it's just gonna be this nice harmonious note to set a really fun tone for the night. My Friendsgiving table has lots of pops of color, different textures with the table linens, and some really pretty autumnal produce on the table as well. I just like it to feel really full and bountiful, so when everyone sits down, they feel like they're sitting down to a feast. When I set a table, I love to mix and match different fabrics and textures and colors, so sometimes I'll have different colored candles or different colored napkins. I think that a little bit of variation just creates a really rich and inviting table. I'm super excited to be hosting this Friendsgiving dinner, and because I'm serving a pretty traditional menu, I wanted the showstopper moment to be a really beautiful table setting. The colors that I'm using for the table are inspired by the cocktail that I'm serving tonight, a classic martini made with Angostura orange bitters. The martini has this beautiful fresh cranberry garnish, so I decided for the napkins on the table, there's sort of a cranberry shade, and then I'm doing lots of bright orange flowers that kind of mimic the flavor of the orange bitters in the cocktail. When I host, I like things to feel really casual, but I also want my friends to feel like they're coming over for a party and not just a meal. And one way that I kind of set that mood is by planning a few special touches that will make the night really memorable. Sometimes I'll do a really over-the-top dessert or a really elaborate dinner, and just giving that kind of wow moment when people walk into the dining room.
Come on in. Come on in. Look at what you've done. Oh my gosh, this is so pretty. Wow.
I'd say my entertaining style is sort of equal parts festive, fun, and relaxed. I really want people to have a good time, and I want them to feel at ease from the second they arrive. So I've always got a good playlist going, I've always got the mood lighting on, and often I'll make a cocktail so I can hand something to my friends right when they arrive so they feel welcome from the moment they step through the door. When you hand your friend a cocktail served in a chilled martini glass, they know they're in for a good time. Whether or not it's an occasion, I just love getting everyone together and giving them a reason to have a really good time. Thanks so much for joining me as I pull together my Friendsgiving. I'm gonna go hang out.